Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajpur, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is streptokinase and urokinase. Generally, blood clots. First, I have told you what is a thrombolytic drug, what is a thrombolysis, what is a thrombi, and then we will discuss what is a streptokinase and what is a urokinase. They are like a they are a thrombolytic drugs. Blood clots, vascular blood vessels, cornothrombi causes myocardial infarction, and cerebral thrombi produce shock of, and pulmonary thrombi can lead to the respiratory and cardiac failure. So it is important to rapidly diagnose and treat the blood clot. So they thrombolytic drugs are responsible for these things. And risk factors are major risk factors that can be changed to heredity, gender, age. Major risk factors can be controlled or changes: smoking, high blood pressure, blood cholesterol level, and stress. Contributing factors are obesity, lack of exercises, and diabetes. Thrombolysis is when plasminogen and inactive precursors converted into the plasmin by the cleavage of single peptide bonds. Plasmin is the relatively non-specific protease. It digests fibrin clots and other plasma protein, include the several coagulation factors. So generally, plasminogen converted into the plasmin, degraded by the cleaved by the single peptide bonds, and it will be converted into the fibrin, which is called as a coagulation factor. So here is showing in a diagram plasminogen activator came and it will be converted into the plasmin. Then further it will be converted by the fibrin degradation product, and the clot is forming. Clot is dissolutions. Thrombolytic drugs dissolve blood clots by the activating and plasminogen, which form a cleaved product called a plasmin. Plasmin is the proteolytic enzyme that is the capable of breaking cross-linking between fibrin molecules, which provide the structural integrity of the blood clots. Because of these actions, thrombolytic drugs are also called as a plasminogen activator, as we have shown in previous diagram, and fibrinolytic drugs. Thrombolytic drugs are streptokinase and urokinase. We will discuss in further next lecture about the streptokinase and urokinase. I hope you are satisfied with this session. Uh, if you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.